Our breath is a wonderful indicator of our mind, of our state, of our consciousness, of our awareness. It is a rock solid indicator of all these internal parameters which otherwise cannot be measured. How do you measure and how do you find your breath to be indicative of your state of mind? Just observe your breath right now. Two things. One, how deep are you breathing? Are you breathing shallow? Are you breathing only until the half of your chest and the breath is not going down fully to your lungs and even down to, so to say, to your belly? That would be one indicator. When you're breathing relaxedly, you're breathing all the way down to your belly. And that's something which we need to regain back. If this is lost, if we are breathing not rightly, let's take a moment to correct our breathing and elongate our breathing down to our belly. That would put us in a deep relaxation, deep tranquility. The second, more subtle aspect of breath, more physical but has implications on the psychology, is to see that when we are breathing, when the breath flows in, what is the flow pattern? Are we experiencing jerks when the breath flows in? Are there patterns which are somewhat like breath flows in and then suddenly there is a jerk and then breath flows further down and then there is a jerk, or you're breathing faster or slower? There are irregularities in your pattern of breathing which you can notice if you just bring the awareness to your breath even for a few moments. So in this session, what we're going to do is, for the first 10 minutes, we are going to bring our awareness to our breath and allow the breath to settle naturally in such a way that both the flow of the breath and the depth of the breath is settling, is coming in its regularity. When that happens, you'll find yourself in a state which is once again allowing you to be rational, once again allowing you to be acting out of your intelligence and not out of your fight and flight mode. And if you are in deep rest, so much so that your consciousness is expanding, slowly you'll see the sixth sense, that is beyond the five senses of perception that you have, which are driving your rationality, which are driving your instincts. There is an addition to those five senses, which is the sixth sense of intuition, where beyond the sense perceptions, beyond the information, you somehow feel, you somehow know what to do. And that knowledge, that knowing of what to do comes directly out of your consciousness. This is something to experiment, explore, and experience yourself in your daily life once you put yourself in a restful, aware state, which is of meditativeness, which is learned in meditation through meditation.